Good day, everyone. Let's talk about making consultations easier. I am Drew Benet Pereda, a third-year IT student here at Nueva Vizcaya State University. Today, I'm excited to present Sync Consult, a digital platform that simplifies consultations in the College of Information Technology Education. Let's start by looking at the problems we aim to solve. Here at Nueva Vizcaya State University, especially in the College of Information Technology Education, getting a consultation is more difficult than it should be. Students often struggle to reach their instructor. Some professors respond via messenger app, while others are unavailable or don't reply. Even with access to faculty schedule, securing a consultation still feel nearly impossible.
On the faculty side, the process isn't any better. Instructors use consultation forms where students fill it out before consulting. These forms serve as official records. Since these consultation forms are papers, they can easily be misplaced or damaged. And when too many students crowd into the faculty room at once, instructors become distracted and overwhelmed. This makes consultation far less effective for everyone involved. There has to be a better way to manage this process. That's why we are proposing SyncConsult, a streamlined consultation platform designed specifically for students and faculty. It replaces the current consultation system with a digital solution that's organized, efficient, and accessible. Allow me to present our working prototype for students and faculty, highlighting how SyncConsult improves the efficiency of consultations. Let's start by seeing how students use SyncConsult to book consultations quickly and easily. Students can instantly browse faculty members by department, view their schedules, and see real-time availability, eliminating the need to communicate with instructors through social media or repeatedly checking the faculty office to see whether they are available, while also reducing long wait times, improving communication efficiency, preventing scheduling conflicts, and reducing miscommunication. When students find an available slot, they simply fill out an online form describing the assistance they need. They can then book the time instantly and receive automatic reminders. Now let's see how SyncConsult supports faculty, helping them manage consultations efficiently. On the faculty side, instructors have a centralized dashboard to view all upcoming consultations and quickly manage their availability. When students book consultations, everything appears automatically in their dashboard. All consultation records are stored digitally by student, ensuring they're searchable and permanently accessible. Students receive confirmations and reminders while faculty have organized schedules and records. This prototype demonstrates how Sync Consult will be professional, efficient, and save valuable time for everyone.
Sync Consult is more than just a digital upgrade. It's a complete transformation of how consultations work at the College of Information Technology Education. By streamlining processes and connecting students and faculty seamlessly, we're overcoming the challenges that slow us down every day. From wasted time to communication barriers, Sync Consult addresses the problem that students and faculty face, making consultation simpler, faster, and more effective for everyone.
Together, we can make consultations simpler, smarter, and more effective.